Everyone, welcome to Jargon Buster. So the place to be to bust all the accountancy jargons and really take control of your tax bill. So my name's Hannah. I help you to have the lifestyle you desire and still pay the right amount of tax. People say accountants have way too many jargons and they get scared or they get confused about when they're talking to us. But today is here to use very simple language to help you to understand some of the jargons and so that you can feel at ease when you are looking after your own tax bill. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about what is self-assessment, really. So, self-assessment, in other words, is actually the tax return we're doing every year. So, if you've been running a business, you are probably familiar with all these terms. But if you're new, probably when you hear self-assessment, what is that? Okay, so yeah, essentially it is your tax return, but why it is called self-assessment? Okay, so normally I like to use a rich dad poor dad cash flow quadrant to explain tax. So as we see on the left hand side, we have we have employee, and down there we have self-employed, and right hand side we have business owner and investors. Okay, so if you are working for the company as employee, most of the time your tax bill is being taken care of. So you never have to worry about, doing your tax return or anything like that. But when you're self-employed or even business owner or investor, chances are you have to file the tax return. You have to, your tax bill, you have to self-assess your tax return. So that's why I use the red color for E. That means you never have to self-assess your tax bill because it's been taken care of. But other quadrants, you do have to self-assess your tax bill. So that is why we call this self-assessment. And also, why is that important to really learn to learn to understand more about tax and take care of your tax bill. So although you might hire an accountant to do your tax return, but you are still take the primary responsibility of your finances. And also, one statistics are showing 95% of the wealth is actually at the right hand side of the quadrant, either B or I. So if you want to be really, really wealthy, chances are you will earn most of the money from the right hand side of the quadrants. And you definitely have to learn to self assess your tax bill. Okay, so I hope this helps you to to understand what is self-assessment. When next time you hear about these words, don't be scared. Okay, I hope you found this one useful. Of course, if you do have any questions about your tax bill, be free to let me know. I am on Facebook, so I have a private Facebook group. It's called Tax Deductible Lifestyle Tribe. I will put the link below. So be free to request to join. Not just you can connect with me, but also we have our panel of experts. So we have financial advisors as well as the business experts who can help you to earn more money and grow your wealth. Okay, again, I hope you find this one useful and I shall see you very soon. Bye now.